let's get rid of this little welcome sign, because every time now if you upload this and you use Excel for another class or another topic, you're going to have to continue to thank the NSF for funding this thermo, even if you don't want to use it when you open Excel, because it's built into that end. I'll just fire up Excel. And as I fire it up, I have to thank the NSF. It gets very annoying. So, boom, click, thank you. But we don't want to do that again. But you have to have a developer tab. You can get the developer tab. If you don't already have it established, you get it established, okay? Do a quick Google search how to get the developer tab in whatever version of Excel. But go to the developer tab. Hit the developer tab. Now you see a bunch of stuff that you've never seen before. But come over to Visual Basic. Click on Visual Basic. Now, in Visual Basic, you'll have 3 windows right here, right over here, and then this big window where you can move them around a little bit. But you want to scroll in this window and find ThermoTables. There it is. And then you can see a couple things. You can look at these modules if you want to see how it works for the refrigerant properties, lookups, and all this stuff. You can see the XDeem. If you double-click that, they'll actually open up a window over here, and then you can look at the code. And in this code, I don't want to spend too much time. I've got to get this so it fits. Maybe you have a wider screen. And they actually tell you this is where they got it from. So they used this other software that they got somewhere else on the internet, and you can take a look at that. What we have is, this is the little culprit. Yep, that's what I want. I don't want to continue to click on that welcome sign. So it's a form, but where do they tell me, where in the code does it continue to pop up? We'll go under here, this workbook, and you look down here and it says, I think right there, welcome therm.show. Well, I'd like to comment that out. So put the cursor right there, right in front of the welcome, and you put a little comment. In Excel, that's a comment. See that? And now, when I click off of that, it should be green. It turns green. So now it's commented out. That's all you got to do. But then come up to the file. Sorry, I should have scrolled this down. Come up to File and hit Save. Save that. Change. Great. And now let's just get out of Excel. Let's go back to fire up Excel. And do I get the screen? It's gone.